Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Annalise. I am back in the shop today, trying a few things I've been meaning to try. I am working on a 16 by 20 black canvas, and this is a mix of Pthalo Blue, this color here, and black, Mars Black, just to give it kind of a nighttime, twilighty, midnight sky look. Throw some gloves on here. I'm going to try to do like a galaxy style ring poured with a funnel. So this will be my first funnel pour. Kind of excited. Maybe you're not excited. I'm excited about it. The spots look a little thin. Spread it out. I did an aurora, or attempted to try an aurora. I'll show that to you guys when it's dry. I don't know how it's going to dry though. The edges look like they're not, I don't know. We'll see though. Maybe it's just how it's drying with the black canvas. This is a 16 by 20, by the way.
I've also been having trouble with, I'm going to call them goobers, paint goobers in my painting. So I've taken some of my bottles and I've put nylon around them, hoping that will help eliminate the problem. Otherwise, I'm going to have to figure something else out because it's driving me crazy. I get finished, or I think I'm finished with something, and I think it looks great, and then come to find out, no, it doesn't. Before I do this, too, I'm going to put a little white on this brush, just the tip, and I'm just going to flick it at the surface to give me some stars. I don't want to do this after I learned that with the aurora, because then you end up with chunks of stars in your colors. This is like a smooch. I don't want that to look like that. So I can fix it now. Okay, that one's got a tail. I don't want them to look like reproductive things. Keep it as PG as possible, even for me. I'm going to start with white. So I'm sure that this, maybe I should start it here. I'm going to try to do it a long ways this way. Come up here right there. And I'm going to start with titanium white. I'm going to want the white throughout it, so I'm going to do it like this. A little bit of brilliant yellow. You can see it's already starting to ooze out because I'm wiggly. It's my fault. All of that. Okay, I'm wiggling all over the place. It's terrible. This is one of my favorite colors, is to mix a dark blue with the aqua green. Put a little turquoise in there. Oh, I should have opened all of these first. Something to learn from. Have it without brilliant blue. Love this brilliant blue. It's brilliant. I'm going to put some silver in there. A bit of metallic cobalt. slow flow, and it's got the nylon in there, so it's... I wonder if there's that many little chunks in there. God, I hope not. Or if there is, and it's slowing it down and doing its job, then great. Good deal. Gotcha. Inside of one of my other dirty cups. Ay. Ooh, I like some of the colors that are already starting. It doesn't have the center that I was looking for, though. But you know what? It is what it is, and it turns out the way it turns out. And if it doesn't turn out the way I pictured it in my head, then I will have learned something for the next time. Right? Never used the funnel technique before. I'm looking for any little bits of junk before I start stretching.
All right, guys, so I'm going to show you the stretching in real time so you can see how the paint flows and how we get from this to the end product. That edge not moving over there at all. You know, I think I'm going to have to start putting some supports in these 16 by 20s through the center, because I've noticed too that my paint is pooling a lot in these. Oh, that almost kind of looks like earth. Maybe. Kind of not loving that yellow right there. So let's just do that. Wow, I kind of like that. Almost exactly the way it is. I like the way that stretched look looks over there so much. kind of cool. That's actually very cool. Very cool. I guess it's pooling. It's not, there's like no paint right there. I see these little divots on the paint. And it's along the edge. Huh, this is really weird. This is like the third one of these. And they've all been, of course, from the same lot, you know, I bought them all at the same time. And like my fire one has a ridge where the edge of the wood is. But oh my gosh, I like this so much. So much. Oh, and I see a squiggly. Little fuzz, little hair. Where'd it go? Right there. I'm gonna just use a push pin. Get it out of there. Looking for any other bits of gunk. It's gonna look funky when it dries. Wow, this is cool. Gunk? Yeah, oh my god, look at how big this piece is. Oh my god, this is huge. No, not focusing. Look at that. I don't know if you can tell against my gloves, but I'll put it right there. Look at the size of that thing. That thing is huge. That's got to be from inside the tube of one of the colors. What if I play with it, if I can tell you what color it is? I'll tell myself what color it is. I'll play with it later. Oh, that's brilliant blue. Is what that is. And I don't have nylon stocking on that. Yeah, that's got to be. Because see, I think I'm getting it from as the bottles settle, and then there's this little bit of paint on the edge. I think that's kind of drying out, and then when I shake the bottle, these little bits are getting mixed into my colors and coming out in my paint. Oh, this is so cool. I love this. I really love this. Tell me what you guys think. Please. You guys love it as much as I do? I wonder what it looks like from your angle. Bring it down close. Not really. Yeah. Look at the colors. It's not focusing. Why is it not focusing? Weird. Oh, I love that look right there. Where the color's like underneath and on the edge and being pulled. It does not want to focus up close. There's just too much going on there apparently. Alright guys, thanks so much for hanging with me. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your comments. Alrighty guys, sorry the furnace is going, but there it is dry. And I'm noticing with these, especially these larger, the 16 by 20, and these I am using a lot of paint. I wonder if the weight of the paint is affecting how it sits when it dries. But I am getting a lot more slack in the canvas, so I'm going to have to tighten this one up as well as the flip cup I did. But I really love this Galaxy, and I think this is how I'm going to display this one, is standing up this way. Yeah, I think it turned out great. Like I said, You know, not exactly what I pictured in my mind when I started, but it never turns out to be that way, but I really do love it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Talk to you later.